Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most commonly misunderstood concepts in SQL, that is using null in SQL statement. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what null means, okay? How to handle it in queries and common mistakes to avoid. So, let's get started. In SQL, null means what? Like no value or unknown value, okay? Doesn't mean zero or empty string. It literally means the value is missing or undefined. Okay. So I have created a sample employee table here. So result you can see employee ID, employee name, and manager ID. So we have the records like this. We have nulls for manager ID null. Okay, for employee ID 1 and for employee ID 5. So now I want to execute the query. What is that? So let's start from employees where manager ID is null. Okay. Here you can see what I did here. Select start from employees where manager ID is null. So this query returns all the employees who don't have a manager ID. Okay. So employee ID 1 and 5, they don't have the manager IDs. Got it? Okay. Now common mistake many beginners make it writing, okay, where manager ID is equal to null. Like for example, yeah, this is a mistake usually people will do. So this won't work because null is not equal to anything, not even to another null. Okay, so the correct way is where manager ID is null. Like if I will execute this one, this is a wrong. Look, it's not retrieve the values. This is wrong. Okay, this is the common mistake people will do. Okay, so that's all about using the null in SQL statements. Always remember, use the null or is not null for comparisons. Okay, null means unknown or not unknown. Okay, it is not a zero. Like if you want to use not null here, you can say is not null and you can execute this one. Okay. Okay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SQL tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.